Hello friends, and welcome to another magical video. Today we are drawing unicorns. If you take a look at this unicorn, it's saying something. It has a special message. It's saying, "Hi Maya," and hello to all of you other friends as well. Maya is one of my 4-year-old class friends who's heading to kindergarten this year, and she requested at the end of the school year a beautiful unicorn art project. Maya was always at the art easel doing really cool things, so this is special that I can fulfill her request. All right, friends, let's begin. I'm gonna set this magical unicorn up over here. Hang out there, little lady. And I wanted to show you another one I drew. This unicorn has really cool hair. I used this neon yellow, some blue, some light green, dark green. Oh, I love how these colors in a light blue and some gray. It's a white horse with really cool mane of hair. You can design your unicorn however you want. We're gonna draw the basics and then you can go crazy coloring it however you'd like. We have some crayons that you could use. Today I'm going to use my markers. And what I'd like for you to try at home is to start drawing with your pencil. You can draw very lightly with your pencil. Don't push too hard in case you make a mistake, which is okay, and you need to erase it. Just so you can see my lines, I'm going to use this Sharpie. Always ask a grown-up buddy if you can use a Sharpie at home because they're permanent markers and we don't want to get too messy. All right, she's fallen there, so we're gonna put her up here. Hang her out by my hot chocolate. Do you guys have a special treat with you today for your art? I sure love hot cocoa. I thought, what more of a magical little treat to enjoy while we're drawing than hot cocoa. So we have something special coming up in our little world here, and we are having a baby girl in October. And I, when I'm drawing, love to have some inspiration next to me that helps me remember what exactly does this thing I'm drawing look like. So I brought this cute little dress as an example. Do you see? It has unicorns on it. It has the horn, shows the unicorn's flowing mane, which is her hair, her ears, and her eyes, and her long face. So there's one example. And hopefully it doesn't fall apart when I move it. But I had a little extra fun with Legos, and I drew this model. Can you tell what it is? A long flowing mane with beautiful flowers, a horn, a long flowing tail with flowers. You're right, it's a unicorn. Nay. All right, let's set her up there. Hold on tight, little unicorn. All right, if you're ready to begin, we're gonna start with a regular piece of white paper. Sometimes I like to tell my friends, if you need a little extra help placing your lines on your paper, you can do guidelines. With the help of a grown-up buddy, they can show you how to do corner to corner, corner to corner, and gently crease your paper. Open it up. There's our middle guideline. Now we're gonna do it again, corner to corner. Use your pinchers, corner to corner, corner to corner, and gently crease it. It's okay if they're not perfect because it's just going to give us an idea of where to use our guidelines. Get those pencils ready. Like I said, I'm going to use a Sharpie so I can show you clearly all of our lines we're going to be drawing. And I'm also using this handy clipboard so you guys can see easily at home. All right, there's our middle guideline and our long middle guideline. Can you see that? It helps us place our lines in the correct spot on our paper. All right, who remembers what a letter U looks like? Like this, right? Kind of like a smile. So we're gonna go over, right below here, over to our long guideline on the side. Start with your pencil, draw nice and lightly, watch me first. And our shape of a letter U goes over our middle, come back down, all the way down to the bottom of your paper. Check that out. Kind of looks like we're doing a dinosaur. All right, and then you're gonna take your other line, zoom it down to the bottom of your paper. Next, let's do our snout area, our nose of our cute little pony or unicorn. We're gonna do an arched line. So we're gonna go right about here to our middle guideline, curve around, boink. And remember, when we're drawing step by step, sometimes when we take a look at our picture, we think, oh, this might look a little silly, but I assure you, it will all come together and look great at the end, because there are no mistakes in art. So we've got her little snout, or his or her little snout. Let's go ahead and do our ears. We're going to do this kind of shape. Watch me first. Almost like an oval. Blunk. Same one over here. Blunk. Oops. Blunk. And then in the middle, she needs a long horn. If you take a look at these horns, what shape are they, friends? Do you know? Is it a circle? A square? No. It looks like a pointy shape that has 1, 2, 3 sides. Begins with a T. You've got it, a triangle. Go ahead and do your triangle. Right between her ears, a diagonal line up. Diagonal line back down, and her head is going to act as our third triangle line. Wow, see, our unicorn is coming together. All right, let's go back to her snout here. She needs to breathe, so we have 2 tiny circles. Do you see that? 2 tiny circles. And you can give her a little smirk there. Little smile line that comes in from the side, because we're kind of seeing our unicorn a little from the front, but mostly from the side, because she has this long neck and long head, long face. Let's go touch up our detail lines here in our ears. Do another shape inside of the ear, just like the ear shape. Another one inside of the ear. And she has her eyes closed, or he. So we're gonna do curved little lines and curved little lines. If you'd like her to have long flowing eyelashes, add those now. Tiny little curved lines. I do 3 on each side. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wow, check her out. She's coming together. All right, this is the fun part. We get to go a little crazy with the hair. As you see on these, we did 2 curved areas, and then we used the triangular shape for the long mane. So let's get started. Right on the side of your horn, you're gonna come down and do a swoop. Other side, you're gonna meet that line right there, right up to it, and swoop. Now we get to go from the ear and do triangular shapes. Pointy shape. Go from the hair there, pointy shape. You can make some big, or you can make some little, and then go big again. When you're coloring these, it would be really fun to test yourself to see if you could do a pattern. Wow. Right off of the bottom of your page. We're gonna add a little bit here too. Little line like that. Maybe a little bump line there. A couple more little triangle lines there. And maybe one more there. See, they kind of look like triangles. However you'd like to do it. You could also use a wavy line to go down. And then we go right back into here, and we can add some waves or a curve just to show all that long, beautiful unicorn hair. Now, if you want to add designs onto your horn, you can, or you can do diagonal lines like this to stripe it. Diagonal stripes, little stripes, big stripes, little stripes, big stripes. However you'd like. I like doing patterns on my pictures. How's it look? Wow, I can't wait to see yours. Look at her. What a cutie. Now the real fun gets to begin. We get to color. All right, you guys are gonna hang out over here while we color. I'm gonna take some crayon or some markers out. Let's see, there are so many colors to choose from. I'm gonna pick some colors I haven't used yet. I really like that bright yellow. Let's see if we can find that one. And here it is. It's called Laser Lemon. I think I might do, oopsie, these 3 colors. Do you know what colors I chose? Yellow, purple, and a pinkish purple. Let's get to it. I'm also gonna pick a color for her snout and the inner ear here, but I'm going to leave my unicorn's fur white. You could do however you'd like. I like to leave it white because then all of the other colors that I use on my unicorn really pop out. Let's see, maybe we'll use this peach color for her snout. Let's do that first. I want to teach you a way that I learned to color that I really love. When you look at my pictures, it almost looks like they're painted. You can barely see your marker strokes, and that is because I use a special technique. It's called striping in. First, you are going to outline the area you want to color in. So this big snout area, I'm going to outline it. And then with the flat part of my marker tip, I'm going to go in and stripe. Fill in with your point if you need to. Stripe. Stripe. Instead of tornado coloring, which is fine when you're in preschool, but once you get into bigger schools, you really want to try your best to be super neat. Look at that. It looks just like I painted this picture. All right, after her snout, we're gonna fill in her inner ear. That means the inside of her ear. Wow, can't wait to see all these colors on her. All right, let's do a little laser lemon. You can do a pattern or you can just pick which areas you want certain colors. I'm gonna do this area in laser lemon. Outline, fill in with the fat side. If you do that too, you only have to do a couple runs, a couple little swipes of your marker because it fills in so nicely. Let's do a couple more with this laser lemon. Outline, fill in. Outline, fill in. Wow, I wonder what colors you guys are going to choose. Outline, fill in. Let's do one more and then we're going to add some other colors. Check it out. Remember, when we're coloring, we always take our time to color because artists take their time and do their very best. Same with our purple. Pick a spot, outline, and then watch. Oh, I made a little boo-boo, but that is quite all right. We can fix that easily. Remember, no mistakes. It happens. I need to just slow down. That's probably what that was telling me. Okay, stripe in. Ooh, I like this color combo, friends. Outline, fill in. Outline. And fill in nicely. Wowzers. She's looking cute. Now let's go in with our, it's actually called Primrose. I said it was like a pinkish purple. Let's see what color this turns out to be. Oh, it's perfect. I love this color. Outline, fill in. This unicorn was a lot of fun to draw. What do you think? Did you guys enjoy this one? I hope that you will send a picture my way so I can see your beautiful creations. And Maya, I hope you were happy with our unicorn art that I chose. I know that you're gonna rock it. A magical, magical picture. Got one more I'm gonna add some purple to. I need a little more purple in my life over here. And then we gotta color that horn. Let's go ahead and with our horn, let's do a pattern. I'm gonna do my skinny stripes purple. I might have messed up my pattern when I drew my Sharpies, but that's all right. All right, so skinny ones are purple. Just gonna fix my line here so we can have a true pattern, my friends. Alrighty, so I think I am actually going to just use these two colors, primrose and purple, for my horn. So I'm doing primrose, purple, primrose, purple. What's next? That's right, primrose is in our pattern next. Or as I was calling it, purplish pink. Wow, look at that coloring. I know you guys can do this if you take your time. We learned so much in preschool this past year, and you guys are all artists. I know that you can do this. And if you watched our video carefully or you press replay, you can design another unicorn any way that you'd like. Maybe make a unicorn picture for someone special. How does that look? Oh, what a fun little unicorn. All right, guys. Well, I am going to finish enjoying my hot cocoa. I'm going to clean these markers up, and I'm going to say goodbye until next time. I hope you had a great time, and I cannot wait to see pictures of your magical unicorns. See you later. Ta-ta for now.